Hey folks, TheNoCodeTech here. Thanks for tuning in. Today, I'm going to try to do a project. Picked up this here Yamaha foot pedal to plug at the local Goodwill thrift store type place. It's $4 for it. Figure I could work it in as a PTT foot switch or something of the like. The initial problem that I ran into was when I did that, turns out it's in its up position like this, right? It's shorted here, and you push it down, that opens it, you let it up, that closes it, right? So, oh, what's going on? Sound, there we go. See? And you push it, so it's backwards. I want it to be open when it's up and push it down, and then it you know, but so anyway, I'm gonna try to, you know, change it. Don't know, we'll see. Never done anything like this before, but I figure I could, what the heck am I doing here? Invite you along for the journey, because I have very little, if any, soldering experience. But I have a Hako 936 soldering station. It's warming up right now. I got some solder from the interwebs, and I got over here some solder wick and a healthy desire to learn. So let's learn, or I'm gonna learn. And you can come along and laugh at me, or learn from my mistakes, or who knows. So let's take the wrong size screwdriver and see if we can get her open. Now, there might be a spring or something in here, I don't know. So, we'll take a look. Big shout out, big thanks to Edsci, I believe it is, on the Toads Discord, for hooking me up with the Hako soldering station. If you're not on the Toads Discord, I highly recommend it. So, take a look in there. Spring. Seems to be rather simple construction, right? I guess that's what the foot pedal hits when you push down on this here. Okay, so looking at this a bit, it appears we have some metal pieces going back and forth. This center metal goes through out the back, and you got top and a bottom, and it looks like the bottom and the middle soldered together, and the top is kind of its own thing. So let me get a better view there with the foot pedal up. You know, the wire's short there. Push it down, and it disconnects this top piece. So I'm figuring if I can unsolder all of this, basically reverse it, so that the top and the middle are soldered together, and the bottom is by itself, and you push it down over here, it'll make contact. So I'm gonna take this off, and hopefully we'll be able to use a flathead to take a Phillips screw off, because yes. Pop this out. I can kind of just pull this through to give us some extra room to work with. I'm a bit pressed for space, so I'm just gonna set that down there. I'm gonna work on this. Got my cutting board to protect the table and protect me from the wife when I mess up the table. So yeah, let's give it a try, shall we? Okay, so I don't have any helping hands or holders or anything like that, so I'm gonna kick it old school. Use some Scotch tape. I forget who, but somebody showed me this trick, or I read it online. Got it from the internet. tape sucks. Or it just doesn't stick to dirty. Either way, that'll work. So let's, it didn't work. Stay. All right. So I rightly have no bloody idea what I'm doing. But best way to learn is to just do it. Is that hot? I don't know. Touch it, find out. Molten chicken. Oh, she is. Okay. It smells wonderful. It's not working. Is this hot enough? 6.5. 100, 650 degrees Fahrenheit. I need to find a better way to hold this down. All right, I just put something heavy over there. This is hard. Well, let's unsolder this. Or at least try to, because I have no bloody hell idea what I'm doing. I think that tip's too small. Give me a bigger tip. Yeah, it's not melting. Turn it up a bit more. I'm just gonna keep turning it up until it melts. There we go, now she's melting. Ooh, smoky. Is that working? Looks like it's working. Might be working. By George, it's working. By Harry, you might be right. Owie, owie, I burnt my finger. Smells like chicken. Buggered the wire pretty bad. But look, it's working. I don't know, do I snip that? There's a plethora of YouTube videos on how to solder. That would be a wonderful resource that I haven't watched. Why are you doing this? There we go, I got one. Look at that. It worked. Now I can kind of pretend like I know what I'm doing. Because one thing worked. Aha! I did a thing. Stay. Stop it! This is a bad idea, but I'm doing it. Nice! I'm the smartest man alive. What kind of girl to steal my dreams? Oh man, I had too much coffee today. Oh, coffee and soldering. I got the shakes. There you go. Yes. You wick that solder. You wick that solder, yeah. Wick it. Wick it real. Ow! Ah! Ah! Round 2. Fight. The solder wick stuff is kind of cool. Just like absorbs it. Nope. Hey, yeah, all right. Haha. I got it. So yeah, we got those two are still stuck together. There's a lot of solder on there. Gotta get rid of all this solder in here and let these two be free of each other. I'm afraid this is like just gonna let loose under spring tension when all the solder's off of it. And just, frack, that's hot. This wire, not wire, this solder wick gets pretty toasty. Anyway, I'm slightly frightened that as soon as this solder all lets up, it's just gonna, under spring tension, flip open and chuck a crap ton of molten solder at me. There's a lot of solder on here, man. Either that or I just got like really small solder wick. Always wear eye protection. You only get 2 sets of eyes. Clean the tip. Gotta have a nice clean tip. I'm afraid of heating that, I'm fearful of heating that plastic up too much and giving her the old melty doodle. Yes, that's hot. Well, she's warm. Yeah, now she's melty. Alright, and then we get some of this in there. To see if I can, there we go. This is not the right way to do it, I'm sure. Man, that looks like garbage. But hey, first time, so, right? Gotta start somewhere. So we have through hole on both, so we can attach wires. Hey, solder bridge, or stalagmite, right? Maybe? I don't know. If I haven't mentioned before, I have no idea what I'm doing, so. All right. Okay. Look at this. Ow! Look at this. Brand new roll. Nice. Hey, came with tape. Check it. Nice. Real nice. Real nice. Oh, I can't see. I'm too old. Wow. That was easy. Hey! Ow. 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 Hey, look at that. She ain't pretty, but she works. That's all that really matters. So now I just gotta start this top piece. Same way. I'm gonna stick that little goober gubbins in there. Okay. I'm gonna heat up the existing solder. Oops. Feed it in a little bit. Give it a shaky. Take it off. Oop. Oh, it's clean. Nice and shiny. I think that's it. Hey guys, look. I did a thing. Not a pretty thing, but it's a thing. What am I doing wrong? Oh, the screw. The screw holds it. There it is. Got it. So haha. See? No connecty. Push it down. Yeah. Nice. Spring into the spring hole. And crap. Let's open it back up. I think maybe that little pokey uppy white plastic plunger thingy's not up high enough. Bend it up more. Oh, I really gotta bottom that out. Maybe it was never meant to be this way. I'd like that to be a little bit more raised. Maybe I can fit a spacer or something underneath. That actually might work now. We'll give it a whirl. Oh, God. What's the matter with you, eh? Not every time. That might just be the loose screws. Oh yeah. And we'll put her on the floor. And give it a try. Oh, that's Oh, I see him a beep beep. Why is it beep beep? I have to really push it. Either way, I'm gonna call it a success. I'm gonna say I did a thing and I did it right. So, hooray! Thank you for watching me learn, hopefully. I don't know. Anyway, thanks for watching. Have a wonderful day. Bye-bye.